Now hear this. Now hear this.
Oh. Yeah. From the first time you held me, my heart began to beat a brand new way. All the pain that once haunted my spirit, girl, you washed it all away. I used to walk around with heavy burdens, stone upon my chest every day. But when your arms wrapped around my body, my soul finally found rest and stay. Baby, you heal my deepest scars with just one touch of your hand. Feels like God himself sent you here to help me grow and understand. So don't let go, stay close. Hold me tight through highs and lows. When you love me, I feel whole. Girl, your heart frees up my soul. Ooh, baby, don't stray, don't roam. You're the place I call my home. Through the fire, through the rain, your love eases all my pain. When you whisper, baby, don't leave, it shakes my spirit to the core. Every tear that falls from you, love, cuts me deeper than before. I remember nights we struggled, trying to keep our flame alive. But even when the world feels heavy, it's your love that keeps me alive. Hold me close, don't let me go. Your touch calms all my fears. Every time I feel you near, the world fades and disappears. I've been fighting through the storm, but your love keeps me warm. So don't let go, stay close. Hold me tight through highs and lows. When you love me, I feel whole. Girl, your heart frees up my soul. Baby, don't stray, don't roam. You're the place I call my home. Through the fire, through the rain, your love eases all my pain. If I ever lose your love, it would tear my heart in two. But I found peace inside of you. Hold me closer, don't